The next time you feel a cough coming on, consider reaching for this ancient remedy. Now, let's not forget about warm fluids. Hydration is key, but here's a twist. Add a splash of lemon to your warm water and honey mix. This boosts your vitamin C intake, enhancing your immune system. Are you surprised at how simple yet effective these remedies are? Before we wrap things up, let's quickly recap the essentials. Combine honey with warm tea, create a syrup from onions, brew ginger, and hydrate with warmed lemon water.